I did was I bent it and then I just cut it and twisted it a little bit. Now I'm gonna shove this in there to protect them. That's it. Come here, Jacoby.
Looks good. Let me know when to cut.
You can do.
Cut now. They're kid. You ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
And you know the drill, right?
Mm-hmm.
Don't move and do not put your hands up. Do you understand?
Or your finger will get burned.
Yes. So do not move. Do not move and do not put your hands up. Obviously, if you have a kid that's squirmy, then do not do this. If your kid don't listen, then don't do this. You gotta be old enough.
Dad, now touch that again. Okay, Dad? What is that smell?
Fire.
Fire! 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 Fire!
What's going on? Oh, here we go.
There it is.
Take it long enough. All right. Baby, I need you to scoot up more. Come on. There you go. Roll over some. There we go.
What did you just do right there?
I shoved it in his ear hole. That's it. Now I'm gonna drink my coffee.
Oh, don't touch me.
Sorry, it was just my finger. Because I couldn't. It was an accident.
Oh. No. No, Dad. Not touch it, okay, Dad? Dad?
Don't touch it, okay, Dad?
Yeah.
I'm about to cut it. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it now. Oh my God, look at that in his ear already. You see
Wow.
that? You see that chunk?
Yeah, I see a little bit of it. Yeah, it's coming out.
Whoa.
Goodness, man.
Take the fire. Hey, Dad. Ew, don't pick it.
Well, his earwax gets really hard, which is why we have to do this for him. Emery's isn't bad, but his is hard to get out.
That ash is about to fall off. This is what, the second cut?
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Darwin. Hi, Dad, Darwin. Hi, Darwin, do, Dad. You want to see?
Saying that his ears are bugging him, so.
No, I'm gonna be scared.
It's not your turn?
Yeah, I'm gonna be scared.
You're scared?
I eat a bit.
Oh. Don't worry, baby. You're a brave princess.
No, she doesn't really need it done. It's just a coating.
Yeah.
Her earwax comes out pretty good.
That ash is about to be what, about an inch there?
Mm-hmm.
So how often you gonna cut it? About an inch? Every inch you gotta cut it off?
I don't know. Yeah, I guess so. Half an inch to an inch. so it doesn't fall.
Dad, Daddy, I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Romy, we gotta get you some medicine. Allergies are bad.
Is that that's the fourth? The fourth cut.
What is that? What does that do, Daddy?
It's a scissor.
Scissor cut, scissor.
The fifth round.
Dad? Daddy? What is with it? And don't be talking about my daddy.
This is about to be what? Round 6? Round 6. Oh. Blown off now. That was the end of it?
Yeah, you don't want to
Okay.
get too close.
Okay, so what's the rule on this? Just
I don't know the rule. That's what I do. I just tap some water on it to help take the fire out. That's about it. Oh my gosh, you can already see inside
Let's
of
see.
there.
Yeah, let me see.
whoa.
Let me see.
Was that all wax?
Yes.
Let me see. Can't see. You have to put it right there.
I will, but let's do your other ear first. Oh my goodness, man.
What?
It's a
Whoa.
lot of
It's about
wax.
to be a big surprise.
Ugh.
That is, yeah.
Yeah, that's nasty.
Can you do that
We'll
out?
go do your other ear now. Let's do your other one first.
Second stick. What is this going to be? The left ear? Or
Yeah.
right or left ear, yeah. Back to the plate. Matches.
Alright, Jacoby, let's get you in position, okay? Jacoby, this isn't gonna work. Jacoby?
Repositioned for the left ear.
Alright, you ready, Jacoby? Don't move, baby. Here we go.
got a tea party ready?
And you buy a bag way. You get a bag cake toy.
Almost there to the inch.
I can't see it. I can't hear it.
Alright.
Whoa, I go. Ah, I farted.
Yeah.
It's going up. No, it's going down. I mean, it's going up. What is in there? Trash! What's that card?
Was this the third? Third
Cut.
round.
Third round, almost.
Third cut.
It's going up. Number 2. Dad, why are you going up?
It's going down. Was it the fourth cut? Fourth.
Alright, Jacob, you're
round.
almost,
4 cut.
you're almost done. You gotta keep your hands down, baby. Stop moving. You're almost done.
2 more. Possibly 2 more left.
More. Dad, you put down on that. Daddy, you put down.
Was this 5th round?
I don't know.
It's the 5th cut.
Two
One
yes
cut.
now. No, 2
almost
is
there.
left.
Possibly
there's
one
one.
more.
One more left. One. Please. I mean, what? Daddy.
Emery,
Ripe.
get back, baby. Alright.
There it is. Smoky. It's done. What's the verdict? Whoa, it looks thick down there. I think you got more on this one than the other one.
Let me see. Let's open it. Open it and we can see over here on
Alright.
this.
Big surprise.
Alright, hold on. Dad, can you get rid of this and go get me a knife?
Hey, Dad.
All right, knife time.
Open it is dead.
All right, steak knife, preferably for the situation.
Dad? Daddy.
Alright, here, I think this one's, yeah, this is the right ear.
The right ear. The first one?
Yeah.
Let's do the first one and we can do that one first. But let's do this one first.
Oh my
Gosh. Big result. Crispy.
Ew. Good at that.
Hold on, Jacob.
They're huge.
Oh man, that's all wax.
Yep.
That is Rex. Yep. Let me touch it. That's that.
No.
What? Oh my God. Look at that. Let me touch that
No,
with the
no,
knife.
no. No.
Oh my God.
That's nasty.
Oh my God. Look at that. The big one.
Does your ear feel better?
Yeah, did it frozer? Did it frozer?
Does your ear feel better?
Yeah, but I did it frozer to
No.
me so I can see it.
Yeah.
Did it frozer? Oh my. What?
Wow,
That came out of your ear, dude.
that's a lot, big
Look
dude.
at that.
It's been a
Yes.
year.
It has paper in it.
It's not been a whole year.
That's paper.
It's been a year since the last
Look at that.
candle waxing.
No, it has not. It hasn't been that
How
long.
long's it been?
I don't know, but it definitely ain't been
Look
no year.
Yeah.
at that. That's
What is
paper
this, the
on
second
the
ear? I think over here would be. We should.
Hey!
Get it open.
There it goes. Unwrapping the mummy.
What's this? That's earwax. That's now we're doing the other one. A dark one is earwax.
Oh my gosh, Jacoby.
Whoa.
Emery, stop.
The crispy
baby.
mummy.
Crispy, mommy. Oh,
Man.
oh no.
That's hard stuff.
Hard stuff.
No, you're not gonna.
Get that big one closer.
Jeez.
Oh,
Let
that's
me-
the big one.
Yeah,
That's
Maybe
what's been
closer
bothering
to-
you,
that's
dude.
what's been bugging you, baby.
Alright, that's the big one.
Does your ear feel better now?
Yeah, that's the one. It was big one.
Nasty.
Did it flush her down? I want to see it again.
Sick.
Look at that. It's a rock.
Walk.
Emery.
Did it flush her down? Oh, I see it. I see it right there.
I don't want it to go down that hole down there. It's
Crazy.
so nasty, man. I gotta do mine.
Alright,
We do this usually like 2-3 times a year.
wait, type.
This
Stop,
technique
baby.
I want to
Stop.
see it.
It's right there.
Definitely.
Oh my god, that
effective to the max.
yucky right there.
It's a lot of
cleaning.
That was
techniques
right
out there.
behind my.
deep
But-
cleaning.
Does
Talk
it
about
feel
deep
better?
cleaning.
Yeah, I feel better.
Your ears feel better
Oh
now?
my god. That was deep to
How you feel, big dude?
Good.
We use Q-tips on him too. It just doesn't all come out. His is hard to get out. Now when I do this on Emery, she doesn't even get that much out. But
That's mine.
his is difficult to get out.
my god.
Obviously, look at that. That's
Wow.
just awful.
Get it frozer. Use your knife and get it frozer.
There, it's right there.
But turn it around.
Do not stop moving it. There's a hole in the plate, Jacoby, or the wax is gonna go through the
Oh
hole.
my god.
That's a lot of wax.
That is yuck.
All coming from
there.
both of your ears.
Look at that big one. That's the real one.
No wonder your ears were bugging
Yeah,
you.
that
like a buffet.
earwax doesn't like that TV. He doesn't like
A buffet plate.
That earwax doesn't like that.
I
the
cannot
sound.
believe
Oh my
that big chunk came out.
I told ya. I see. I told
Wow.
ya.
That's a lot.
Wait, get that
That's
out.
months of buildup.
Oh my god. Wait, we'll see that one too. Did that
Some
froze?
people's earwax just doesn't come out as easily, so. No.
That bill and
Wait, say it again. Ready? Action.
ring that bill and next time once you see this pinks, whatever it is, I will punch this. When you don't touch it, you don't touch the earwax because that's weird. You don't touch it. And I have fire on it and you get burned. You don't touch the candle. You will be burned like the burn song.
Say bye.
And don't see this dude when he got burned.
Okay.
Don't
Say bye.
Share, ring that bell.
Ring the bell. Bye.
Bye.